might not even be able to hear me. I should have had the mics. Alright. So we got the 2025 HYUNDAI SONATA S. Brand new, 20,000 miles. That's the lock button. We're gonna walk around this whole motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie, the front lip on this shit look. It's alright. It's just like a calm. It's not your average daily, but like, let me see. What the fuck this do? Oh, this shit got what you call it, startup. I don't even know. Nothing in the trunk. Got powerless startups. I don't see no exhaust tips on this motherfucker. But I think this shit probably fully electric then. I don't really do my research. I know this is an 8-speed transmission. For sure. Got 20,452 miles. I'm gonna give you a little POV driving it. Y'all see the dashboard, real nice, real touchy, real. This look like the BMW shit. Touchscreen, everything. Got paddle shifters. Cruise control, lane assist, steering assist. Put the motherfucker in drive. Right now, it's just gonna be a free drive. I don't know really where I'm driving to. I'm trying to drive where there's no traffic, to be honest with you. And I feel mad, like, far up. Put my seatbelt on. Yeah, again, the conversation, I ain't put my seatbelt on. We got about 30 minutes to do this little POV. God damn, son. Mad cars coming. Oh yeah, I'm going right here. Oh yeah, first drive. Oh yeah, we got different drive modes. We got auto hold, and you could drive with the... Oh, I thought you could drive with the camera on, never mind. But we got my drive. We got normal, we got sport. I really don't know what my drive is, but I'm gassing. This is normal right here, twin. I think this shit is, it gotta be like, I don't know if it's fully electric. I didn't even look under the hood. I didn't even show you under the hood. I'm tripping out. I'm gonna show you under the hood probably towards the end of the POV. Don't get in the comment section too much on me if I forget. I really don't even know where I'm going. I'm really just driving. But I do have a destination to go to. I want to get on the hot. Oh, I know y'all. I don't know if y'all almost saw that happen. That was almost an accident. This is a HYUNDAI SONATA S. I will play some music, but I don't want to get copyrighted. I ain't gonna lie, everything is like real spacious, real right in your face where you need it to be. Let me see about the shifts. I feel like I said, I didn't see no exhaust underneath, but it sounded like this shit wanna pop. Like, it sounded like one of them Kia Fortes. If you ever drove in a Kia Forte, my friend had one of those. He had exhaust on it and that shit started popping. I had a little Kia Forte Sport, I think. Shit handled real well. We're gonna put this bitch in sport because I know everybody wants to see sport, of course. Just got some gas. We like a little bit over a full tank. Like, why this bitch don't want to drive? We need an oil change soon. Could really just reset the light to take that off the dash. I feel like this shit is like a real reliable car. This shit shifts is real smooth. No issues, no problem. It's kind of gassy, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it reacts quicker than what you think. It's not what you're expecting. It's not your average daily. Under the hood, I know we got a 2.4 liter. it sound crazy, but like it's not crazy. I promise you, chat. It's nothing too crazy. Gotta make sure we look both ways. We going up hills. Look, we going up a hill. You wanna hear that? Man, that shit sound. 1,000 RPMs. One for everything. These some nice scripts too, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't never been in this part of Jersey. I like how the steering was like kinda wanna be flat bottom, but like an octagon kinda. We're gonna take this motherfucker on the highway for y'all. I know that's what y'all wanna see. I'm gonna pull over and get you out of the little, how the little engine looking. In a residential area, let me chill out. Damn, bitch. Oh my goodness, let me slow down. Nah, we're not gonna go right there. I'm trying to find a little location to stop at. We're gonna stop in this parking lot right here. Oh damn, it's a red light. It says this bitch have eco mode, but I don't think that's this one. And like, this is really a car that I just get the job done. Like, you could cruise in it, you got cruise control. Hold on. Nah, it's not cruise control. This has gotta be cruise. You got the little steering assist. You can't like go too fast doing this because you might mess up, you feel me? But you might have your sticky little hands up the steering wheel for a little while. Oh, I could have pulled them right here. Yeah, I'm about to pull them right here, show you the engine. And pull over there. After this, we gonna hop on the highway. And I'm gonna really show y'all what this motherfucker about. Alright, let me see how you even fucking pop the hood. Got a 2.4 liter engine, 4-cylinder, pushing like 190 horsepower. I mean, that's not that bad. Alright, I thought it was fully electric. It's not. It's got a big engine, big trans. I do not see that exhaust back there. Air filters look Gucci. Everything look pretty brand spanking new GDI engine, man. Are they looking clean? Everything look clean. But let me see underneath this motherfucker one more time. Oh, it do got a little. They got a little one exhaust. That Audi, alright. That shit alright. Ain't gonna lie. We all doing video. We all doing content, man. Lock in. Alright, so now I'm gonna try to get up on a little highway. Show you how this thing get. We gonna play music. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted, which I know I'm not. I'm not trying to. I'm gonna have to cut it out for sure. But this shit drives good over bumps. Steering is nice. It's not too rough, too tight. It's really just right, to be honest with you. It's really just right. And please do not drive and be on your phone at the same time. Only professionals. Only professionals. I'm gonna have it like type low. I wanna be able to listen to music and be able to still talk to y'all. I don't want to be quiet as hell the whole fucking steering rod. Joyride. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Sport mode, of course, is always gonna be way more aggressive. There's gotta be some type of electrical transmission though, because the way it gets up. I don't know what we went on and off. So roughly, oh, brand new, this shit, 27,000 brand new. It's got 20,000 miles, probably like 20,000. That's not bad for this car, I'm not gonna lie. Like 20,000, you probably get something more aggressive, more muscle if you like into that kind of stuff, but yeah. Looking for